If you are looking for the best small air fryer to fry food without adding tons of extra calories, you have clicked on the right channel. Chefs and home cooks are always on the lookout for advanced kitchen gadgets, which will make their time in the kitchen more cherishable. Air fryers give you the simplest pleasure of life, fried food minus the unhealthy part. There are many products available to choose small air fryer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best small air fryer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. If you want something bigger in the mini air fryer range, you will like the Ninja Air Fryer, which is the perfect size for a small family. You can cook guilt-free food in the fryer with 75% less fat than traditional methods, similar to the Philips Digital TurboStar Air Fryer. Many praise the ceramic-coated crisp plate in this model, allowing even heat distribution in the unit for evenly cooked crispy meals. Another notable feature is a user-friendly control panel with a digital display that allows you to set the desired cooking mode. 105°F to 400°F allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. The Ninja Fryer can handle 2 pounds of frying at a time and cook meals for 2 to 5 people without a snag. Positive side of this product: high gloss finish, ceramic coated crisp plate, user-friendly control panel, 4 different cooking functions. Negative side of this product: bigger than other small fryers, takes up some space on the counter. Number 2. Kazori Air Fryer. Kazori has made its name in the industry solely due to its air fryer. The Kazori Air Fryer exclusively comes in stainless steel and serves almost anything from fries to roasted meat, vegetables, and even desserts. If you are seeking performance and simplicity, this is the best small deep fryer you will get. You can select recipes from 11 one-touch presets to automatically set the temperature and time, or choose your own settings for your personal recipes. Moreover, the digital LED display is angled for more comfortable readings, and a full view of the cooking as it happens inside. Apart from all that, the removable basket makes it easy to clean the air fryer that comes in direct contact with your food. It also makes it easier to plate out food, while the non-stick surface ensures little to no residue is left in the fryer. You may have to be a little patient because the preheating takes 2 to 5 minutes. However, it's less than the preheating time of traditional ovens, so it's not a total turn-off. Number 3. Philips Air Fryer. For this air fryer, hot air is the new oil. Philips is a renowned company for manufacturing trusted TVs and smart homes, and now, it's on top of the game in mini air fryers as well. This aesthetically pleasing air fryer has made it to the top of our list with its advanced features and elegant design. Although it is a pricier option comparatively, Philips TurboStar technology makes it ideal for healthy cooking, with up to 75% less fat. The mini air fryer cooks food evenly, even if it's piled up, and leaves a crispy golden crust on top. Being one of the best small deep fat fryers in the market, Philips Digital TurboStar heats up instantly to save the preheating time. But what makes this one stand out is the versatility. It does more than just frying, it grills, roasts, and bakes, so you are never out of choices. Simply set the temperature with quick control dial, set the time, and click to start cooking. You can also use the keep hot mode to, you guessed it, keep the food fresh and hot for up to 30 minutes after cooking. The removable basket and dishwasher safe options make cleaning easier. So, if you are willing to spend some cash on an air fryer, this one is an all-rounder. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.